want to be. There's no time limit. Start whenever you want.
Hello mathematicians, welcome to another exciting week of Maths Made Easy with Victor Inaiho from Crunching Mathematics TV. And if you have been finding value in this lecture so far, why not smash the like and subscribe button so that you don't miss out on our weekly and daily lectures. Make sure your notification bell is turned on so you can always follow up. Whenever I drop maths lecture, you'll be the first to be notified. So without wasting much time, let's dive into our board and see what we have today. Yeah, last week we'll be talking about trigonometry. We talked about the first, second, the third, and the fourth quadrants. But now I'm going to give you some hints. Now let's take these useful hints to remember from our last lesson. We need to take some useful hints to remember. The hint says that trigonometric ratios are positive for angles in the four quadrants. Trigonometric ratios are positive for angles in the four quadrants. Now look at this. For example, we have the first quadrant to be A, second quadrant to be X, third quadrant to be T, and the fourth quadrant to be C. Notice this thing. It's arts, A-C-T-X. So you have to know that to understand it, arts. The A stands for all. It means that in the first quadrant, all the trigonometric ratio are positive. A stands for all. In the first quadrant, all the trig ratios are positive. In the second quadrant, which is S, S means sign. It's only sign that is positive in the second quadrant. Then in the third quadrant, which is T, T means tangent of angles. It's only tangent of angles that is positive in the third quadrant. And the last quadrant is a C, which is the fourth quadrant. And the C means what? Cosine. It's only cosine of angle that is positive in the fourth quadrant. So those are the hints you should know. Whenever you are solving problems in trigonometry, remember arts. It will help you to resolve. Yeah, today we shall be looking at interior and exterior angle. We have interior angles, we have the exterior angle. So we shall be looking at the four theorems that guide the interior and the exterior angle. So there are four theorems that we're looking at today. Theorem 1 states that the sum of the angles of a right angle triangle is equal to 180 degrees. That is the first theorem, which says the sum of the angles of a right angled triangle is equal to what? 180 degrees. Now, if we look at a right angled triangle, we have a right angled triangle here. Where we have the first angle, the angle is ABC, which is produced to X. We have the first angle to be A2, second angle to be B2, then we have a remaining angle here C, then we have another exterior angle which is A1, another exterior angle which is B1. Now, if we are given an angle ABC, the proof is that a line ABC, which is the line A, B and C, is equal to what? 180 degrees. This angle ABC is equal to 180 degrees. If we construct the line BC, this is B, this is C, and produce it to a point X, then we have to draw a line CP. This is the line P here, CP, which have to be parallel to AB or BA. This line here is parallel to this. So we're going to take it from here. On theorem 1, that a given angle A, BC, proving that angle A, angle B, and angle C is equal to what? 180 degrees. If we construct and produce the line BC to a point X, then if we draw CP parallel to a line CP parallel to BA, then from there we'll take the rows as it goes. Now from our diagram, here we have angle A, angle B, angle C produced to a line X, and we have a parallel line drawn opposite a line BA. So according to our rules, angle A1, this angle A1 here is equal to angle A2. Angle A1 is equal to angle A2, and it's equal to alternate angles. They are the same. If you watch, this angle A2 is alternate to angle A1. Alternate is opposite. So A1 and angle A1 equals to angle A2 is alternate angle. Angle B1 is equal to angle B2. This angle B1 here and this angle B2 here. Angle B2 and angle B1, they are the same. They are called corresponding angles. They are corresponding. They are in the same direction. So therefore, C plus A1 plus B1 is equal to 180 degrees. B angle CX is a straight angle because they are in a straight line. B angle C and X is a straight angle. So therefore, C plus angle A1 plus angle B1 is equal to 180 degrees. Now, therefore, A angle CB plus A angle CB plus A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. Now, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Already we know that our alternate angle and our corresponding angles, they are all included here. So our angle A is equal to A2, angle B is equal to B2, and our angle C, which is an alternate angle, is equal to what? A1, which make it 180 degrees. I hope that's clear. If you have any question, you can ask. Now we move straight into theorem 2. We finished with theorem 1. Theorem 2 states that the exterior angle of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angle. Now let's look at figure 2.2. Now this is a right angle triangle where angle B, and angle C, and BC is produced to a line called X. So this is an interior angle, this is an interior angle, this angle C is an exterior angle. So it's equal to the sum of the interior angle A and angle B. Now let's look at some proof here. If we are given angle ABC, with BC produced to X, BC is produced to X here. We have to prove that A angle CB is equal to, after that A angle CB is equal to what? Angle A plus angle B. We have to prove that A angle CB is equal to angle A plus angle B. From figure 2.2, this figure 2.2. A angle CX now plus A angle CB plus A angle CB is equal to 188. Means from here to here to here plus from here to here to here is equal to 180 degrees. Where B angle CX is a straight line. sorry, this is x. Where B angle CS is equal to B angle CX is equal to straight line. Therefore, angle A plus angle B, angle A plus angle B, plus A angle CB, plus A angle CB is equal to 180 degrees. That's the sum of angles. This angle is the sum of two angles. That is what I'm saying now. Sum of angles. Angle A plus angle B plus A plus angles ACB is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, A angle CX, A angle CX, this angle now, here like this, A angle CX is equal to angle A plus angle B. This angle here, A angle CX is equal to angle A plus angle B. If you plug them together, you get here. So in all, we have 180 minus A angle CB. So it's going to give us 180 degrees minus A angle CB. So when we start solving problems, we apply this theory and see how it will help us to solve this problem very well. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to drop your questions and comment below. Thank you.